Alright, so now you have all your ingredients, you put them inside the bowl, put your dough hook on, add your yeast, close the top, lock it down, and you're going to put it on mix, just on stir, and you're going to let it go like that for 1 minute, and then you're going to increase the speed to number 2. And you're going to let that go for an additional 6 minutes until it forms a nice tight ball and everything pulls away from the side of the bowl. Alright, so this has been going for about 4 or 5 minutes right now. You can see everything pulled away from the side of the bowl. It's a nice tight dough. So we're going to remove this and we're going to place it in a lightly boiled bowl. Alright. This is a really nice dough. I like to tuck it underneath, make it like a really nice tight bowl. Place it inside lightly oiled bowl. Gonna cover it up, let it rest for about 2 hours. Alright, so it's been about 2 hours. You can see it's doubled in size. It's a nice yellow looking dough. So roll it out into a lightly floured surface. And you're going to stretch it out by hand. Alright, once you get it right here, cut your dough in half. Two equal pieces. Finish shaping your buns. So go in half. Go in half again. Now that you got pretty much everything, all equal sizes, give or take, just take a little bit of melted butter and you're gonna run it through in between these two. You can see they're already starting to proof together. This is gonna make it easy to separate them when it gets to the end. I use a silicone one because sometimes the natural ones you get a little bit of hair, and then the leftover butter, just brush it on top. It's gonna give a really nice color when they bake up. So from right here out, you're gonna cover them with a cellophane or cling wrap or whatever you got, and you're gonna let it proof out for 45 more minutes. It's been about 40-45 minutes, and as you can see, they've all proofed up. And with the butter, it keeps the plastic wrap from sticking. So now we're gonna bake these off at 375 for about 25 minutes until golden brown. All right, so I baked them off at 375. It took a really nice shape.